I was introduced to the class by Mr. Draper, the staff, and everybody's very knowledgeable about the products, and I learned a lot. It was a very wonderful experience, and I just want to thank everybody from J.Racenstein and the whole staff. Everybody is just super friendly, and soft washing, power washing, and window cleaning, we'll be at it in Nassau, Bahamas. Check us out, Daddy Boy's Window Cleaning Company. Daddy Boy's Window Cleaning is a new business we're just opening, so the training was very much needed, and we'll be introducing the new add-on services and power washing and soft washing.
I got started doing mainly landscape maintenance and stuff. And as people always ask for pressure washing and all that sort of stuff, I sort of moved my entire business to exterior cleaning. And this 3-day class is basically everything I've moved my business to, and that's why I came here, to learn some more stuff and try to get more knowledge than YouTube and Google can give me, and kind of better serve my customers. Heard about the class from ordering stuff from J.Racenstein, and then they sent me an email about the class, and I thought it'd be a good opportunity to come out and learn some stuff from the good guys in the industry.
It's a family-run business, so we've been at it since 2003, and we've used products from Racenstein for probably as long as we've been open. And we heard about the class a couple weeks ago and thought it would be a really good idea for soft washing to get a little bit more knowledge and information about it, since that was something we were new to. So came up here for the class, and it was very, very in-depth. Had all the answers to the questions that we were wondering, plus some things that we didn't think about, things that, since we weren't in the industry, wouldn't have known about, things that you would have had to have been doing this for a couple of years for you to figure out. They just bring it all here to this class, and then here's the information, use it, and so you don't have to go figure it out and make the mistakes yourself. So it was a great class. I really enjoyed it. It was well worth the money, well worth the trip to come up here, and I would highly recommend it.
I recently just finished up with my with the military and decided to start a power washing company. It's something I used to do for side work and wanted to be my own boss now. Several things I picked up from this course, especially being new to this industry as an owner, was pricing, how to put yourself out there, proper techniques, proper ways of protecting the customers, vegetation, taking extra care for the customer's property, and how to better myself as an owner and operator. The course was, very informative for me as a rookie in the industry, but I also noticed that there were a lot of senior individuals who have been doing this, who were in this course, that also had questions which were beneficial, and I got a lot of insight from other owners as well. It was just a really, overall, was just a phenomenal course, and I would recommend it to anyone.
I started my business. I was working for other people for like 12 years, doing window cleaning and power washing. Eventually, to start out on my own, did my own thing. Been in business for 3 years now. Doing great. I love coming to all these trainings. I've been to about 6 of them now, so I learn something new every time. I love seeing all the new equipment and chemicals and stuff that you can take advantage of and see what's new. I always get to talk shop with different people, so I love these classes. It's really cool.